BC entered its initial restart phase last month by easing restrictions to allow the reopening of some businesses, including restaurants, hair salons, dentist offices, and physiotherapy clinics. Schools also reopened on reduced schedules for students on June 1st. Premier John Horgan said Wednesday the province has been successful at flattening the curve on COVID-19, which means it can ease more health restrictions and gradually move into phase 3 of its reopening plan. Thus, BC is further easing restrictions that are in place because of COVID-19, allowing hostels, motels, spas, resorts, RV parks, motion picture and TV production industry to resume operation. He said the province is able to open more industries, institutions and recreation areas, but gatherings of people must remain at 50 people or less. Provincial Health Officer Dr. Bonnie Henry said recent modelling data shows if BC residents keep their current level of contact with other people, then COVID-19 infection rates can be held in check. Premier John Horgan said, like other activities during the COVID-19 pandemic, summer holidays and travel will be different this year, with non-essential travel now open. As we carefully turn up the dial on our activity, we can now look to travel safely around the province. But as we hit the open roads this summer, we must remember we are not leaving COVID-19 behind, and we need to continue to do our part to bend the curve and protect the progress we've made, Premier Horgan said. With travel, people need to respect local travel advisories to remote communities, staying home if they're sick, maintaining a 2-meter physical distance from others, and spending time in small groups and other spaces. Premier Horgan said people have done the hard work of keeping the virus at bay. Premier Horgan's announcement comes one day after Dr. Henry released modelling figures that said the province is maintaining a balance where contacts are increasing, but at a rate that is keeping COVID-19 infection rates from spiking. The modelling shows that while BC has had success, first in dramatically flattening its curve and then in maintaining a relatively stable number of new cases. However, continued success depends on maintaining physical distancing and other precautions. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Like, share, and subscribe.